Hello students, in previous tutorial we have seen how to create a data list and how to attach database table data, whole data to this data list. Now in this tutorial or in this video we see how to create one image or data list with image view. Means there are some products we are storing inside our database, and we want that product gallery in gallery page. So we need to create one more table inside our database, and how we can see the picture gallery or image gallery to our web page, how we can show by using this data list concept and database table we can add to that particular data list, and how we can add one image control and show image that particular product image to that image control. So see in this video how we can do this. Here I am creating or changing the web page. Inside default.asps, these are the default contents. Now I am going towards the source and deleting all these contents. And here before going towards the data list, we first create one table for product gallery. I am giving the ID here, data type as integer, then product name I'm giving here. Product name is alphabetic or textual, so I'm giving the n-varchar. Then brand, if there is any brand for that particular product, then give the brand value. I'm giving the length property as 20 or 30 you may give. Then product price, okay, there is one product price I'm giving as integer value. Then for storing the picture path, I'm taking the field as picture and giving the n-varchar 50. Now setting the ID as primary key, and I want that auto increment, so I'm clicking on identity specification and click on S. So this is now my auto incremented field, and this is primary key for this product gallery. Now if I save, then it gives me or asks me the name of that particular table, and I'm giving as product info. This is my table name, product info. Now before inserting the data inside this product info, we need some images. So I'm going towards file explorer and taking some images from these. So I'm taking some images, download 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, I'm copying all these images and pasting into my project. So I am pasting directly inside my project. So there are some images, download 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is not there, but 6 is there. Now while inserting data inside this product info, I need to give the picture value as download.jpg, means name of that particular image. Now the ID is auto incremented, so skip this. Then product name as Samsung Note 5 or whatever, Samsung. Then price is suppose 20,000. Then pick download.jpg. Now again Nokia 2340 some. I'm giving only the sample values, but you may give correct values. I'm giving the values, any values, random values I'm giving here. Also random images are here, but you may give the exact images of that particular product. Then Vivo 2030 some values I'm giving here, Vivo. Then suppose its price is 15,000. Then DOWNOAD download to.jpg. Here I am giving whatever the image name I am giving here. These images are compulsory in your project folder. Then and then only it will be displayed on your web page, otherwise it will not be displayed. If I am giving some name here, image name, and that particular image name is not present inside your project, then that image will not be shown on web page. Now I am giving here Lenovo 4032 and I'm giving the name as Lenovo and some value I'm giving here, download 3.jpg. So in this way I'm giving some, again Lenovo, but my model is changed here. Then I'm clicking on brand, and here this is 15,000, download 4.jpg. If your extension is other than jpg, then give accordingly png or whatever. Then Apple 90, I'm giving here the price as 50,000, download 6.jpg. So I'm storing some 4 or 5 values here and click on close. This structure I'm also closing. Now see, this is the table data. Okay, now inside this I'm taking one data list from toolbox, from data tab. I'm taking the data list here. I'm choosing the source property as new data source. Then go to SQL database, then click on OK, then connection string, then next. Then I'm selecting, now there are 2 tables, and in this example I'm selecting product info. I'm selecting all rows and all columns and click on next. Then click on test query. It gives me the result, then click on finish. Now this is the list. This is the list now. These are the properties. Okay. Now repeat columns property I am setting here 3. Now if I run this application, then how it will look. See, so these are my products. 6 products are there, and inside one row there are 3 products. Now instead of this download 1, download 2.jpg, I want that picture. Okay, I want to show that image. Instead of showing the image name, I want to show that particular image. So see how we can show that particular image. If we know the image name, then we can display it inside image control. So click on this edit template and go wherever you want to display that particular image. If I want to display the image first, and then below that there is that particular product description, then I'm taking this image control and dragging here, dragging and dropping here, and changing the size of that particular image. Now I want to set that image URL property of this image control to this picture label, because inside this picture label there is my image name. So I want to bind this value to this image URL property of this control, image control. So click on this symbol and click on edit bindings. Now set image URL and field binding bound to. Here various field names from your table are listed here. So here picture property we are setting, and click on OK. So our binding is done here. If you don't want to show the ID on screen, then delete from this. If you don't want to show the name of your picture or image, then you may delete it. Now I'm not deleting, but see how our page looks with image. So this is the picture gallery now. Picture, its description, picture, its description, picture, its description. So in this way you can create your picture gallery in your ASP.NET website. So this is our output. Now we will see in next video search functionality. Means if I select BCA course, then only BCA student list will be displayed here. Here we are displaying all the students inside this data list. But sometimes what we want, if I select the course from this drop down list, if I select MBA, then only MBA student list will be displayed here. Then if I select BBA course, then only BBA student list we need to display. Or here some drop down list is there. Some according to brand we need to display the product list. If I want to display the product list brand wise, means we can take the drop down list here and add inside that particular drop down list all the brands, all the unique brands. Means there are Leno is brand, one Vivo is brand. Then if user select Leno, then only Leno product will be displayed. If Leno selected, then a Samsung product will not be displayed inside this list view. So in this way we can do our functionality. And if I want this data list inside the center of the page, then you can set it accordingly. See, inside the properties what we can do. Is there any property visible to show header? Horizontal align property is there. So set it as center. Then you may see your list inside center of your page. So this looks better than previous. So how we can search the product list according to drop down list item. Means user may select the brand or whatever the item present in drop down list, and accordingly our data list will be filtered. So how we can do this, see in next video. So see you in next video. Thank you.